Hey there, we're inside of Exonic Studio, and this is the super quick start on how to play in the competition to design DNA. So we're looking at two different nodes here. One is the DNA design panel, and this is just a kind of hand-designed DNA tool. So you can, copy and paste regions of DNA. Let's turn that on. You can just randomize it, and you can even change the mode that you select things with. So you can, use the grid mode, or you can use a more traditional sequence mode. And of course, the DNA here is wrapped left to right. On the right-hand side here, we have the Malinois DNA optimizer. And Malinois is the model from the paper we're trying to beat. And this is using the Malinois model, and we have two different ways to use it. Either a greedy optimizer, which just flips random base pairs until the score gets better, or a gradient-based method. So let's go ahead and run the gradient-based method. And we can turn the KL clamp way up. That just basically says how much change will we allow in any given step. And let's just do 30 steps. So we'll run it now. Okay, that was pretty fast. And you can see here we got a 6 on HepG2 and pretty good off-target scores here. So one thing is it's actually extremely easy to get crazy high scores on HepG2 using a gradient-based method. And that's where things are very interesting in this competition because it's not just about getting a high score on Malinois. It's sort of getting a high score and also being clever in how you kind of validate that it might actually be good in the wet lab. Wow, so this one got a 28. So that's maybe too high. The model might be a little optimistic on this one. And so I copied and pasted it here into the DNA design panel. Very cool. So we can see where the Malinois model is saying it's active in HepG2 and where it's not active, or rather where it's active in off-target. So we can turn off that heat map here. And it'll be interesting to just randomly flip some of these. So you can see there that flipping that base pair actually lowered the off-target activation. Let's try a few more. And we can even see where we can, maybe copy and paste some of the motifs that are powerful in HepG2. So this seems to be quite good. And let's just drop it over here. Oh, wow. Okay. So our score is looking quite good, actually. Very low off target, strong on target. And so I'm just going to copy and paste the sequence, come over here and paste it and hit submit. And it's going to run our internal model pipeline. Boom. There we go. So you can see the score here and all the different metrics. So that's a great place to start to play with those two panels and see what you can get.